What happens to your body when you do 100 lunges every single day for 30 days? Does it actually sculpt your legs, fix your posture, supercharge your metabolism, or does it destroy your knees, tighten your hips, and backfire completely? Today, you're about to see the real science, the unexpected biohacks, and the surprising results of a 30-day lunge challenge that no one tells you about. Stay till the end, because the changes after day 20 will shock you. Why lunges are more powerful than squats? Most people think lunges are just a basic leg exercise, but biomechanically, they're actually one of the most complete human movements, because lunges train each leg independently, fixing muscle imbalances, strengthen glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and your core, increase stride mobility and hip stability, improve balance and neuromuscular coordination. In fact, physiotherapy studies show that lunges activate up to 108% more glute medius compared to regular squats. And that single detail matters. A strong glute medius prevents knee collapse, lower back pain, and even improves your walking speed and posture. So yeah, lunges are not basic, they're a biomechanical upgrade. The rules of the 30-day challenge. For this challenge, the rule is simple. 100 lunges per day, that's 50 each leg. You can do forward lunges, reverse lunges, walking lunges, split stance lunges, but no skipping days, and no replacing them with squats. The goal is consistency, not intensity, and that's where the transformation begins. Day 1 to day 5, the shock phase. If you're doing lunges after a long time, your body gets a wake-up call. You'll notice quads on fire, glutes sore, hips tight, slight balance wobbling, knees feeling different. This is completely normal. Biohack tip: take 1 teaspoon of pink salt in water before your workout. It improves nerve firing and reduces cramping. Your legs are learning how to stabilize again. This is the reboot phase. Day 5 to day 10, the alignment phase. By the end of week 1, something interesting happens. Your body starts fixing itself. Because lunges train both sides separately, you'll begin noticing. One leg was weaker, one hip was tighter, one knee was unstable. Now your muscles start evening out. You'll see better knee tracking, improved posture, less wobbling, more confidence in each rep. Biohack tip: add 5 slow deep breaths before starting. This increases stability by activating the diaphragm, your core's secret stabilizer. Day 10 to day 20, the body reprogramming phase. This is where major change happens. Your nervous system now understands the movement. Your brain is firing motor patterns more efficiently. Benefits you'll notice: glutes lifting legs, toning. Core strengthening, your stride becomes more athletic. Your balance becomes sharper. Your hips feel more open. Your metabolism increases subtly because lunge variations activate the glutes, the largest calorie-burning muscle group. Biohack tip: cold shower after lunges. Cold exposure boosts recovery, reduces inflammation, and increases mitochondrial density. More mitochondria equals better fat burning. Day 20 to day 30, the transformation phase. Around day 20, results start becoming visible. You'll notice leg definition in quads and hamstrings, glutes tightening, waist looking smaller because your pelvis is stabilized, back pain reduced. Walking feels smoother, standing feels easier. But the biggest hidden transformation: your body becomes symmetrical. Most people don't realize how many everyday problems come from imbalances. Knee valgus, hip misalignment, tilted pelvis, foot pronation. Daily lunges correct a lot of these silently. Your entire lower body starts functioning as a unified system, not a collection of separate parts. Biohack. Tip: magnesium glycinate, 200 to 350 milligrams at night. Releases muscle tension, improves sleep, and boosts recovery so your performance improves next day. What happens after 30 days? Here are the real science-backed results after 30 consistent days of 100 lunges. 1. More toned legs, visible quad lines, more shapely glutes, better hamstring engagement. 2. Stronger stabilizer muscles. These protect your knees, hips, and lower back. 3. Better balance and coordination. Your brain rewires pathways for movement efficiency. 4. Fat loss support. Most people burn 60 to 140 calories per 100 lunges depending on tempo and weight. 5. Improved cardiovascular endurance, especially if you do them walking style. 6. Better posture. Pelvis alignment improves naturally. Risks and how to avoid injury. Lunges are powerful, but only when done right. Avoid these mistakes: knee collapsing inward, too short step length, leaning forward, dropping straight down without hip control, rushing reps for speed. Fix it with this rule: front knee stays behind toes, chest open, core tight, step long enough to create a 90-degree angle. Biohack. Tip: 5 minutes of hip flexor stretching every night. It prevents knee pain and enhances glute activation. Final verdict: should you do it? So, is doing 100 lunges every day for 30 days worth it? Yes, and if you want. Stronger legs, better glutes, athletic posture, faster metabolism, corrected imbalances, more stability, and joint protection. And the best part? You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym. You just need consistency. Try this challenge. Track your day 1 and day 30 photos, and you'll see changes you didn't even expect. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me which challenge I should do next. This is Pulse Theory 360, where science meets transformation.